Hello and welcome to Flutter Tips, Tricks, and Techniques. My name is Victor Wooding, and this is a course by Pack Publishing. I will be your tutor for this course. I have been a teacher for the past 10 years, and during that time I taught myself to code, and I run my own website, codechamp.com. The course is broken down into 5 sections. It is a practical to the point guide with each section covering some exciting tips, tricks, and techniques for Flutter development. You will learn tips to improve your app building, learn development tips and tricks, learn user accessibility tips, learn how to debug, and learn deployment best practices. The tips in these videos can be used when building your next app. Some of the apps that you build can be uploaded to the app stores. Once you have uploaded it, try to improve it and be open to suggestions. This course requires that you have the latest version of the Flutter SDK installed. At the time of publishing this course, version 1.9.1 was used. Mac operating system is required to develop iOS apps, but it isn't required. You can use Windows as well, but you will be limited to Android development. A computer with an Intel CPU which supports virtualization is required to run the Android emulators if you are running Windows. If your computer doesn't support virtualization, you will need to attach a physical device. You will need an IDE which supports Flutter development such as VS Code, IntelliJ, or Android Studio. Some experience with Flutter development is recommended, but it's not necessary. Now let's get started.